Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download Node.js into your computer in a very simple way. How you're going to do it? You just simply come over into your Google Chrome browser, and then from here you just need to search for Node.js and then click enter. After that, you will get this website over here. So you will going to click on Node.js run JavaScript everywhere. Click on that. After that, here you can see download Node.js LTS over here. So if you click on that, and you can see your download has been started. And now it's completed. And now if you click on it 2 times to install, minimize the browser. And now it's on setup wizard over here. So click next and check I accept the terms in the license agreement and then click next. You can simply change the file, but I won't do that. Then simply click next another time, and click on the automatically install necessary tools. Note that will also install Chocolatey. So we will not going to check it and simply click on next and install. After that, you can see the installation is beginning. So it will take some more minutes to complete it. So for that, keep patience. And now if you click on yes for the permission, and now if you click on finish, and now what you can do, if you for checking it that it's downloaded or not, just simply type cmd, click open. After that, here you just need to search for node space -- call version and then click enter, and then you will get the version over here that Node.js downloaded, the version v22.13.0. So this is how you can download and install Node.js into your computer. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.